Welcome to the Young Trombone page. This is not necessarily for young people or kids, but this is for anyone who is just getting started out working with the trombone. Alright, so we are in the John Kenyon book, Basic Training Course for Trombone. Again, lesson 21, where they introduce us to the D flat in fifth position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And in our key signature, it shows us 4 flats. Key of A flat, B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat. So here's number 1. We're counting only the 3s. Moving on, number 2, A flat scale with arpeggio at the end. We were doing just a 1 arpeggio. By 1, I mean based on the A flat chord, A flat, C, E flat. Whereas a 5 chord would be built off of the E flat, and then the 4 chord would be built off the D flat, but we'll not talk too much about that. That's covered in other books. Repeat time. And moving on now, number 3 is in cut time. Through, and I'm going to keep that same tempo. And here we go, and 1 and interesting that in the key A flat there are no D flats in this particular tune here. So they're really just showing us A flat block in our tonal center. So now, Etude in the key of A flat, number 4, 2, 4, keeping the same tempo, counting only the 2 but not in cut time. So we're looking at English Hunting Song, numbers 5 and 6, which are actually a duet from lesson 21. And here we go. And here we go with part 6. Thank you for checking out my trombone tutorial page. I appreciate it and look forward to seeing you again next time.